customer service tips that generate referrals. How do you define good customer service? Does that simply mean the satisfactory marketing and sale of a product or service to a customer, or does it mean something else? Is providing good customer service good enough? In these days of below-average customer service, you may think providing good service will set you apart from the pack. Well, I am here to tell you that nothing less than exemplary service will help you succeed. By incorporating the wow factor into every successful sale, you will achieve greater profits and better customer satisfaction. To achieve the wow factor, you must be honest, knowledgeable, friendly, professional, and deliver on your promises. Do not overpromise, but do not underpromise either. In addition, you must be able to provide a high level of service to everyone who comes in contact with your business. If you do, you'll also get more referrals from your satisfied clients. Wow everyone who comes into contact with you and your business. You want people to be blown away by the extraordinary level of service you deliver to your clients. Demonstrate your exceptional level of customer service by showing your generosity through gift giving. Your goal should be to deliver such a high level of service that your clients can't wait to tell their family members, friends, and coworkers about your company. Everyone who comes into contact with your business is a potential client or referrer. Reward those who refer people to you by offering them a gift. Send gifts to all business associates in order to gain favor. This is a great way to build relationships with the people you rely on to do business. Look for a reason to send these people a thank you card along with a gift. So, what types of gifts should you send? I'll leave that up to your imagination, but here are some ideas to help you get started. Movie passes, Starbucks cards, flowers, houseplants, a ticket for a free car wash, gift candles, favorite recipes, gourmet chocolates or gourmet popcorn. Successful salespeople always make sure their faithful referrers are regularly and consistently rewarded. Set aside the best rewards for your top referrers. This may include dinner for two at a fancy restaurant, tickets to the opera or to a rock concert, a gift card, high-end fruit or gift basket, potted plant or flower arrangement, a personally inscribed pen. Yes, when it comes to gift giving, the sky is the limit. The more personal the gift, the more likely it will be remembered, and it will serve as a thoughtful reminder to your best referrers the next time someone is in need of your exemplary services.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.